Hi everyone, I am Virendra Sahu and today I am going to walk you through my project, the Super App, a modern React application that combines multiple utilities into one personalized dashboard. So let's get started. So this is the registration page. User need to fill their name, username, email and mobile numbers. The form has the client side validations. If I leave the field empty or enter invalid data, so it show the inline error message instantly. Yeah, you can see. Okay. So once all fields are valid, clicking submit take us to the next step. So let's fill this form. So I'm filling this form and I'm removing the zero. And here I'm giving the my name and click on this share my registration data with super app and just click on the sign up button. Okay. So it will redirect to categories section. Okay. So this is the categories selection screens. User can choose their favorite entertainment genres from 8 options: action, comedy, drama, music, sports, thriller, fantasy, and romance. So at least three categories must be selected. Okay. So if you selected only three categories, so it will show the errors. Okay, I'm removing this. So you can see if I selected only two, so it will show the error. Okay, so I need to select at least three categories. Okay, so I am selecting at least three categories. Okay, so you need to select at least three categories. So the continue button remain disabled until then. I select action, thriller, and romance to proceed. So here I am selecting romance, comedy, and actions. So let's click on the next page. So you can see. So this is the dashboard of this is the super dashboard, the heart of the app. Let me walk you through each widget. Okay. So this is the profile widget. So my registration details and selected category chips. And this is the weather widget. So fetch live data from the open weather API. I can select any Indian state and it show the temperature, humidity and wind speed. So let's I'm giving the example. So I'm selecting any state like a Bihar. So you can see it is showing the temperature of the city and wind speed, pressure and humidity. Okay, so you can select according to you. And I'm selecting another state. I'm selecting Chhattisgarh. Okay, so the Chhattisgarh temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, wind speed is 1.02 meter per second, and pressure and humidity. Okay, so you can select like this. So, and this is the notes widget. So a sticky notes area where I can type quick memos. Notes are saved in the local storage. So they persist even after the page refresh. You can simply you can write your own message. Okay, and you can clear them. Okay, so now I have added a timer widget, a fully functional countdown timer with hours, minute and seconds control. I can start, pause and reset it anytime. So I will show you. I'm selecting 0 minute and selecting 1 minute only. 0 hours, 1 minute only. Okay, and I'm starting. So you can see the visual effect. Okay, yeah, here and I can pause and I can reset. So this is the features. So we can set the time according to us. Okay, and we can start the timer. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so this is all about the timer widget, and I have added new widget. You can see here in the right side. So fetches latest news articles and automatically rotates every 2 seconds. No manual clicking needed. Okay, so this is all about our dashboard. So let's move on to our next page, movie route. You can see the route also are showing movie. Okay. So this is our movie page. So finally, this is the entertainment discovery page. Movie are fetched from the OMDb API and grouped by my selected categories. Each category show relevant movies card with posters, titles. Yeah, you can see poster titles and the year. So when I hover a card, so you can see smooth scale animations, clicking any movie, open it details and models showing the full plot genre, rating, runtime and the cast. So you can see I'm clicking this movie and it will show the all about all details of the movie. Okay, you can see it is showing the years, movie name. Okay, and it is showing the timing, ratings, and all details about the movie. Okay, and you can select any movie, like I'm selecting this one, and you can see the it is showing all details all about the movie. Okay, so let's talk about the tech stack. So under the hood, this app is built with the React 19 and Vite, uses React Router DOM for navigations with route protections, just and for the global state management with local storage persistent and custom CSS for styling API used are OpenWeather, NewsAPIs and OMDb APIs. So this project is deployed on the Vercel and the source code is available on the GitHub. So you can see I have uploaded all this code on my GitHub account. You can see all the readme, all the details are available on the readme files. Okay, all about the project, and I have implemented in the VS Code. Inside the VS Code, you can see this is the code of this super app, and I have deployed on the Vercel. So this is the Vercel link. You can see, and if I paste this URL in the new tab, so it will show the error. Okay, so firstly we need to log in. Okay, so this is all about my project. So thank you for watching. So yeah.